Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, where you can find the most in-depth video walkarounds on our different Ford vehicles specific to the trim. So we call them our complete guides because we cover all the standard equipment as well as option equipment as possible. A lot of people like those videos. If maybe you'd be interested in some of those videos, you might hit the red subscribe button down there so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. In this video, this is our version of the Roush Raptor. So Roush does a really good job of taking the Raptor and putting some things on it and make it a really cool truck. We do a little bit differently on ours. So we're going to go through that, what we base it off of from the Roush, which package equipment group we base ours off of, as well as we add something to ours that Roush does not. So you're going to get a less expensive cost for you, but a better performing Raptor than you would from Roush. So I think you really like it. We are certified Roush dealerships, so everything we put on this are done by our certified Roush technicians, and we get the parts right from Roush as well. So that's being a Roush partner there, we're able to do that. So I think you're really going to enjoy this one. At any time during this video, if you want information about our free shipping policy, we're going to have information at the end of the video. There's a timestamp down in the description if you want to flip to that at any time during the video. But let's dive right in and kind of talk about this Raptor Roush with the power pack. So I like to start these off by talking about what we start the build off of from the Ford factory before putting our build on it. So a little bit different than what Roush does. We base ours off of the Raptor with the 801A equipment group. We found that most of the Raptor customers are buying the 801A equipment group instead of going on up to the 802A equipment group with all those luxury features that really a lot of the times you may not use when you're going off-roading. So we found that 80% of our Raptor sales last year were all based off the 801A equipment group. But Roush requires you to order our 802A before shipping it off to the Roush factory to put their build on there. So we're doing this in-house so that we can keep the cost down. 801A equipment group is plenty of equipment. You're still going to get all the off-road capabilities and performance that you'd see on any of the Raptors. That doesn't change anything. It's a lot of the different luxury features, and those convenience features are what you see on the 802A. So you're still going to get the, of course, the 3.5 liter V6 high output EcoBoost engine that delivers that 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. You're also going to get the nice suspension you would get from Raptor, including the Fox suspension with that new live valve technology that they come out with in 2019. All those same capabilities with this truck. We use the 801A equipment group, also gives you some other luxury features without going up to the 802. So you're going to see with this one, the leather seat and leather interior here, so you will have that Raptor leather seats. What Roush will do is they'll actually replace those. So why go up to get a leather seat and then Roush replaces them with their own custom leather. So you're going to have some of the Raptor badging here, having those Raptor leather seats in here. Some great other features. You're going to have your bliss, the LED spotlights. This one even does have the optional twin panel moonroof that was ordered on it, and the tailgate applique, which we thought was a must on the back. So it really does look like you're getting an 802A equipment group without having to go on up to that cost of the 802A before we start putting all the different custom builds on there. Now, first thing that it's based off of, as you can tell from the title, is that we do include the Roush Power Pack. Now, for all your EcoBoost engines, including the high output V6 EcoBoost engine, you can add the cold air intake kit. So this is a nice upgrade. We went ahead and added this in there. Now, this is something that the Roush does not put on their Roush Raptor package that we include in ours. So it does upgrade that, give you a nice cold air intake, better fuel efficiency, as well as more power. Of course, Roush does not give you any kind of numbers on there and what the increase is, but we've I think we've put this on a dyno before, and it's given an increase of about 40 or 50 horsepower. So more performance, better fuel efficiency. So this is something that we add as part of our package that Roush does not add on the Roush Raptor package. Now let's talk about the wheels. We do want to upgrade the wheels because the Raptor wheels, what it's going to come with. Of course, on the Roush Raptor package from Roush, they do put the 18-inch beadlock wheels. We like to go with the 20-inch beadlock wheels. So you can see these. They will come with the red or the optional gray rings. So you can switch those rings out. Depends on what you're wanting there, what color you're wanting. We kind of like the red on most of ours. But there is the option to put the gray ring, comes with both there for those nice Roush wheel. So it is a certified Roush wheel we get from Roush. Since we are a certified Roush dealership, we can do that. We also we like to go with the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. They're KO2 tires, so real nice tire. 35-inch as well, fills that up and gives it a nice size there. And that's typically what Roush puts on their package too. I think it's a different brand tire. I think theirs is a GT Grabber. We like the BF Goodrich KO2 tires instead. So you're gonna see that wheel and tire combination that we put as part of this package. Chase rack. We use rough country. I'm not sure what Roush is using, but they put a chase rack on theirs. If you go with the optional chase rack, we include it in ours. So you're going to have this rough country chase rack here. So real nice. Does have the options for any lighting up there. Last year's version, we included LEDs, lights up there, but the package was a little more expensive, and that's where we're saving the price on this one. Is we're not including in this package as the base package the LED lights. That is something you can upgrade to if you'd like to, but that's one reason we're able to cut the cost down on this package for this year. So nice rough country chase rack here where you can put any kind of optional lights on the top. Now I wanted to kind of talk about some things back here. Now there's nothing really that we add back here, but I wanted to show you kind of the difference between the Roush Raptor package and our packages. Roush does upgrade their exhaust from the factory exhaust. We felt like there wasn't really a reason to upgrade the exhaust. The factory exhaust is a great exhaust system. Does have, of course, the rear exit dual exhaust tips back here, and a great look to it and a great sound as well, but we didn't upgrade that versus what Roush would do. Of course, I mentioned earlier, we always will order these with the tailgate applique to give it a nice distinct look here on the back of the tailgate. We do also go ahead and put the spray and bed liner. Not a big deal, but a lot of people are going to want a spray and liner anyway, so it is included in this package, as well as the front window tint. Those are two things we do in-house here. Of course, this whole package was done in-house, but we have a window tint guy as well as a guy that does spray and liners, so we do include both of those as part of this package. Now lastly, we also add the graphics on the side. So this is something that Roush, what they do is this is optional equipment for you. That is included in our package. So you get the Raptor bedside splash graphics on it. So real sharp look and really adds to the truck build itself. So a couple different things you notice that are different between what Roush does on their builds and ours. Of course, probably the biggest thing is we base ours off of the 801A equipment group. I mentioned that several times throughout the video, but that really keeps that cost down. Our goal is to keep the cost under $70,000. We've done that with this build. It's at $69,900. If you want the optional LED lights on the chase rack or even fog lights, we can add to that as well. Just reach out to us and we can help you out with that. Let's talk about free shipping for a second. We do free shipping anywhere within the 48 states. We do ask that you finance a vehicle with us. We're very transparent about that. You know, we do have to have, that is a cost we don't want to incur onto you, but it's a cost that's incurred onto us, and we do go ahead and pay for that. The lenders will give us a kickback for some of that cost. That's why we have to stay within the 48 states. Alaska and Hawaii cost a little extra, and we usually cap it at about $1,000. Because of that, that's actually more than what the lenders give us a kickback on a lot of our vehicles. But we'd like to be very transparent here at McArthur and tell you how that works. But that's how we're able to ship the vehicles from anywhere for free, not a cost that's incurred onto you. So keep that in mind. So we do free shipping. If you want to see some of our inventory, go to our website, lawmcarthur.com. Just click on that black Law McArthur Performance tab at the top of the page, and you can see all of our different custom builds there on that page. So that's kind of where all the Law McArthur Performance page has all those different links to those different dedicated pages for those different custom builds. There's one dedicated to this one. Just click on that Raptor with the Roush Power Pack, and you can see the updated for this year, for the 2020 model year, with the information there, price for the package on top of the truck build, and then you can see our current inventory listed right below that for these packages. So we have several of these coming. This is our first one for the 2020 model year, but we have several following this behind. So check out our website for different color options there for you. And if you want this put on a Raptor, we can order one for you, and then we can have this package put on it. So if you want an 802A with this package put on there, we can do that as well. Or like you want an 801, maybe you don't want the twin panel moonroof, we can do that for you too. So reach out to us. You can call or send us a text message. The number's on the screen, as well as don't forget we'll have those numbers down in the description if you want to click see those any time in this video. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the red subscribe button down there. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You'll get notified next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. If you haven't had a chance yet, go and smash that like button. Give this video some love. Lets other people know it's a great video they need to watch, and I'd appreciate it. And if you have any comments, leave those down below. We do read those. We love getting that feedback from our customers and our viewers on things that they like, even if you're not planning on purchasing one, even if you just have an opinion about it. We love getting that feedback. We always change our builds from year to year based on the feedback from the comments on these videos. So appreciate any feedback we can have down in the comments. We read those and I respond to those myself. So definitely leave that for us down there. Also, don't forget you can follow us on any of our social media sites. We're at McArthur on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. So no matter what you are looking for there, we always post a lot of specials we have going on. Things are going on in our community and within the dealership, as well as Ford news are going to be always put on our different social media sites. So stay connected with us. Follow us on any of those Facebook or any of those social media platforms down there. Until the next video, we'll see you later.